So a couple of days ago I got a package from a company called Avon filled with their lipsticks. So I thought let me just review all the products because Avon is a product, or Avon is a company. I never tried any cosmetic product from this company, especially their lip products. So that's why I was really excited to try them out and to share my opinion with you guys through this review video. First thing first, I got Avon a True Color Glaze Wear Lip Glosses in a pink shade, light pink shade, and a raspberry pink shade. They retail for around 475 rupees here in Indian market, but if you're lucky enough, catch them on sale on Nykaa.com and you will be able to save more money on them. So that was the price point. Let's talk about the product first because that's one of the most important thing. So the packaging of the product is good and it's plastic packaging, so you can definitely travel with this tube. Now when you apply or when you open the lip gloss, it has this wand applicator to apply the lip gloss all over your lips. The applicator is thin enough so you can definitely apply it to the outer corner of your lips as well. Now moving on to the formulation of the product, it's not overly thick, at the same time it's not overly thin. It's the perfect consistency for a lip gloss. It's not sticky as well, like it's not overly sticky, but it has a certain bit of stickiness which you need especially in a lip gloss. Both the colors I got are really pretty, but the rich raspberry one, the darker one, is really good. When you apply it, it looks like your own lip color but a little darker one, and it's a very nice shade if you are a college going girl because it is going to suit you a lot. At the same time, if you apply just 2 coats of this, you can definitely get a good color payoff with this lip gloss as well. The only downside I can see in this lip gloss is it's 475 rupees. So if you can catch it on a good sale, on a good price, then definitely try it out. Moving on to Avon's True Color lipsticks. Now they launched 20 different shades of this lipstick, but I have got 7 of their shades. Now this retail for 350 rupees here in Indian market. So let's talk about the product first. Now these lipsticks have shea butter in it, as well as they have SPF 15, which is really great, especially if you are searching for a good lipstick for summer season. Now we all know that it's really difficult to know when your lipstick is going to expire, and that's one thing which I noticed right away, and it's really impressive that on all the Avon lipstick there is a manufacturing date, batch number, as well as a use before date on all the lipsticks, so you can know when you need to throw the lipstick out and when it's going to actually expire, which is a great plus point. Because a lot of lipstick brands, they never mention this use before date, and I absolutely hate it, or they hide it somewhere where you can actually not able to read it as well. So about these lipsticks, they are good pigmented. I will not say they are the most highly pigmented lipsticks in the world, but they are good medium coverage lipstick. Because they have shea butter in them, they are very moisturizing on your lips. They doesn't settle in the cracks of your lips. They makes your lips very moisturizing. Even if you had not applied any lip balm, you can just go forward and apply the lipsticks, and they are going to be very creamy on your lips. All the True Color lipsticks which they newly launched are cream finish lipsticks. They do have another line which is their matte finish lipsticks, but these ones which are newly launched, they are cream finish lipsticks. Cream finish lipsticks are not as much pigmented as matte finish lipsticks. For that we need to understand the formulation or how the lipsticks are made. Lipsticks दो जो है मेन इंग्रेडिएंट्स के साथ बनती है. एक होता है पिगमेंट जो कि कलर होता है, और दूसरा जो होता है वो होता है बाइंडर. ना बाइंडर और पिगमेंट को मिला के जो है लिपस्टिक बनती है. जितना ज्यादा बाइंडर होगा लिपस्टिक जो है उतनी क्रीमी होगी, जितना कम बाइंडर होगा लिपस्टिक उतनी ही मैट होगी. अब कम बाइंडर जब हम डालेंगे तो पिगमेंट ऑब्वियसली ज्यादा है, तो इस वजह से कलर ज्यादा दिखता है, और जितना ज्यादा हम बाइंडर को बढ़ाएंगे तो पिगमेंट जो है वो कम हो जाएगा थोड़ा सा. इस वजह से जो क्रीमियर फिनिश लिपस्टिक्स होती हैं उनका जो कलर होता है वो उतना ज्यादा ट्रू नहीं आता जितना कि मैट फिनिश लिपस्टिक्स का आता है. In all total, you should definitely give these lipsticks a try because first of all, they are very fairly priced. Secondly, they are highly moisturizing on your lips. And third thing is, especially their darker shades, they are very pigmented. So if you apply just 2 coats of your lipstick, you can definitely get like the full coverage. By full coverage, what I mean is the shade you see in the tube, definitely you can see the same exact shade on your lips if you apply 2 layers of this lipstick on your lips. Avon also launched their True Color Ultra Hydrating Lip Color, and they launched 10 different shades. Out of 10 shades, I got 7 shades here. Now let's talk about the product first. It comes in a very sleek black packaging, and I feel like I always love this kind of packaging for lipstick because the lipstick has edges, so it's really easy to apply the lipstick in the outer corner of your lips, which is must for me. So I really like the packaging of the lipstick. The formulation of this lipstick is very creamy. When you apply it, it just glides on your lips like butter. This is how creamy they are. They are 4 times more creamier than the normal lipsticks. But they are creamy, but at the same time they are not less pigmented. So they are good pigmented. If you apply 2 coats of this lipstick, you will get a full coverage. By full coverage, I mean exact same shade which you see in the bullet. You will get it on your lips if you apply 2 coats, but with 1 coat you will get a good medium coverage of this lip shade. Now because they are very creamy and gel-like, you need to be very careful with these lipsticks because they are very creamy, so they tends to break. So don't just open your lipstick like this and start applying it. Make sure you are just opening this much. That's more than enough, and then you are applying it on your lips. If I will compare it to the Avon True Color lipsticks, first of all, these are the basic lipsticks, but this one is, I think, a next generation of tinted lip balm, I will say. So if you are looking for a good pigmented tinted lip balms, these are gonna come pretty handy because they are really moisturizing just like a lip balm, and at the same time they deposit a good amount of pigment on your lips, so you get the color as well. In all total, if you are a person like me who doesn't like to apply a lip balm before applying a lipstick and you're always in a hurry, you should definitely give it a try. Me personally, I love these kinds of lipsticks for everyday use because they look more natural. Like when you apply a matte finish lipstick, there is a bold color on your lips and it looks like that you have applied lipstick. For everyday purpose, I feel like we should apply a lipstick which should give you a little bit of color. At the same time, this should look more natural on the side. So that's why I always lean towards these kinds of lipsticks for my everyday use. इसी का इंतजार हो रहा था. So here comes the fun part of the video because you guys know I have a lot of stuff and I don't want it to keep it there. So that's why I'm sharing it with my internet sisters right here. So I'm giving away 3 of the Avon True Color lipsticks and the Avon Ultra Hydrating lipsticks, 3 of them. So one winner is going to receive these 3 lipsticks and one winner is going to receive these 3 lipsticks. To enter in this giveaway, they are very simple and basic rule. You just need to subscribe to my channel, share this video and comment below which is your favorite shade, and that's it, you are entered. So that's it for this video. If you had enjoyed it and you want me to make more these kinds of videos in future, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Bye bye.
I think they're trying to let us know in the blink of an eye.